welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can create a digital planner that you can sell on Etsy. So at first go to your Google Chrome and then search for Canva and then click on this first one, and then you have to sign up for free, so click on it. And since I'm already signed in, so I don't have to, I'll just log into my account. And then once you do, the page should look something like this. So at first, since we're creating a planner, you could do some custom size if you have anything in particular, but I'm going to show you everything from scratch. So just search for planner here and just tap on it. So basically you'll see a lot of planners already created, and if you want something you can pick it, but I'm going to show you exactly how to create one from scratch. So tap on create a blank planner, and this will provide you with something like this, a page. So what you have to do is at first make sure you're coloring. So suppose I want to do something this sort of blue. There is a bunch of other colors. You can do anything. If you have anything particular, you can put the hex code or anything, but I like this one, so I'll keep this one for now. And after this, the next step is to have a text on top. You could do a weekly planner or a monthly planner. These things are up to you. I'll choose just a weekly planner, and you'll see a ton of different text from here. I'll just pick a random one, a normal. I'll just click on text and then heading, and then I'll just type weekly planner and just position it top here. You could select this thing, and then you see there's fonts here. This one, you could just choose whichever one you like. Wait, let me adjust this one a bit smaller and adjust it to the middle. Canva is very helpful because it shows you the orientation and everything. So after I'm done with this one, after that you can choose if you want anything like, some design in the background. So you have to head into elements, go to graphics and see all, and you'll see there's a bunch of random shapes here. Let's see which one we like. I think I'd go with this one, and I'd just zoom it like this, and maybe I want to change the color of this to yellow. Okay, that looks better, and this is how my weekly planner is going to look. After that, since it's a weekly one, I want little boxes of all of the week names. So just go back to elements and then lines and shapes. From there you'll see this one. You can pick any of these. I'll pick just this one, and then just make it a bit smaller. And this one, I'll just move it, say about here. And what I'll do is add a text on it. So just go to text and then subheading and maybe and put it on top of this one in the center, and change this font to this. Okay, I like this one better. So what I'll do now is just duplicate it like so in the middle, then duplicate it, and then duplicate it again, put it, and then duplicate it, one more and one more. There you go. I think I'll put it in the middle. Okay, just like that. And we have the 7 ones. So here I have to add Tuesday. So let's do that. Or I could just copy this, put it over here, copy this. Let's delete this one, and after copying this we put it over here, copy, put it here, copy, put it here, copy, put it here, and then copy, put it here. And now basically just edit these text. This would be Tuesday, this is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and in the end Sunday. There you go. This is what our weekly planner page is going to look like. And from there, we basically want to copy this. What I'll do is just at the bottom it says add page, so click on that and you'll see another page is added similar to this one. And so suppose we want Monday, this page to contain Monday titles. So what I'll do is just go to elements and suppose lines, this one, I'll just expand it and take it a bit up like so, and then add a text that says date. Change the font to maybe this one. Okay, looks better. And move this above here. Add a column like that. And then suppose I want to add some to-do list, so I'll add another text. To-do list, and just put it over here like so. There you go. And suppose I want something specific, so they can put whatever they want in the to-do list. You can pick a bunch of these. I'm just gonna pick this one for them, just in the center, and this is where they could write their to-do list stuff. And suppose at the bottom I want them to have some section where they could add their notes for the day like so, and just add text. I'll just duplicate this one, put it over here, and just write notes like so. And there you go. This is my planner, but again this is all customizable, so you can do anything. And I'll just duplicate this. So suppose I want something else, which is I'll add one more text that says Monday. Let's put it into new bold again. Suppose this one is Monday, yep, and we put it over there just to make sure what page contains what. And let's just delete this page, sorry for that, and duplicate it. So instead of Monday, we just put Tuesday in there. So now what we do is, what we want them to do is when they click on Monday, it brings them to this page, or Tuesday, it brings them to this page. So basically just what we want is basically these ones, and then click on group. So now this is group, and then tap on this and then type on link, and at the bottom connect this to 2. And after that, once you are done, you can just go to share, download, and save it as a PDF, and then this is how your weekly planner will be done. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.